Welcome to all. I am Vibhuti CP. Here we are going to learn the CHO 150 course of MSc first year. Last time we learned about some reactive intermediates, that is carbocation, carbanion, carbene, nitrene, free radicals and arine. By taking the basis on that, we are going to learn a new topic of this syllabus, that is rearrangement reaction. Here we are going to learn first of all the carbocation rearrangement. That means here we are going to learn the rearrangement is related to the reactive intermediate, that is a carbocation. What is a carbocation? Here the carbon having a positive charge is called as a carbocation, and we learn the stability, that is the high substituted carbocation is always more stable carbocation, that is tertiary carbocation is the stable than the secondary carbocation, and the secondary is more stable than the primary carbocation, and the primary carbocation is more stable than the hydrogen. All these basics related to the carbocation we already discussed in earlier videos. Today we are going to learn by using this carbocation how we rearrange the reaction. In that we learn the first rearrangement reaction, that is pinacol or pinacolon, or it is also called as a pinacolic rearrangement reactions. This pinacol, what is a pinacol? This pinacol are a tertiary 1,2 diol. What is a pinacol? It is the structure of this pinacol. It is a ditertiary. This is a ditertiary compound, that means 2 carbon, which is the ditertiary, and diol, di means 2 and ol means alcohol. It contains 2 alcoholic group attached to a ditertiary carbon, that is called as a pinacol. Okay, here the simplest member of this class is a 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 butadiol. 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 buta 1 2 3 4 butadiol. This is the IUPAC name of this pinacol. What is IUPAC name? 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 1 2 3 4, that means butane, and there are the 2 alcoholic group is there, that's what is called as a diol. This is the IUPAC name of this pinacol. When this pinacol is treated with the acids, these may be the dilute or moderately concentrated, then this rearrangement reaction takes place, which leads to a formation of a ketone. Okay, what happen whenever this pinacol, that is this CH3 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 and CH3, this is a diol compound which is treated with H2SO4 acid. This acid is maybe a dilute or moderately concentrated. Then the rearrangement reaction takes place, that means these are rearranged, and which leads to a formation of a ketone like this CH3 CH3 CO CH3. There is a formation of ketone. That ketone is called as a pinacolone. This ketone is known as what? Pinacolone. That means here we prepare the pinacolone from a pinacol. That's why this reaction, this rearrangement is called as a pinacolone rearrangement. Okay, here we are going to learn the mechanism how this rearrangement is going to happen. So start the reaction mechanisms of this reaction, this rearrangement. What happened here? This pinacol, that is CH3C, CH3OH, and here also OH. This is CH3 and CH. This is the pinacol compound. Sorry, this is pinacol compound. Whenever this pinacol, which is treated with the acids, then what happened here? This acid, this H plus, is attracted by this oxygen, and there is a formation of like this structure. Here there is a OH, CH3. This carbon also having a 2CH3 group, and here this H plus is abstracted by this oxygen, and there is a formation of O, H and H, and here this oxygen becomes positively charged. By donation of electron to this H plus, this oxygen becomes positively charged. Then what happened for the stabilization? Here this electron is shifted to oxygen, and this water molecule get removed from this pinacol, and whenever this bond is going to get break, that time this carbon becomes what? Electron deficient, and that's why this carbon have a positive charge. That means the structure which is formed like this, CH3, C, CH3, and here also CH3. Here this carbon which has a less number of electron, that's why this carbon having a positive charge, and this is called as a carbocation. Okay, then what happened here? For the stabilization, this CH3 group is shifted to this carbocation. This CH3 is rearranged to this carbocation, and then what happened here? This becomes, and here whenever this CH3, this electron of the CH3 shifted to this carbon completed their valency, and there is a decrease in valency of this carbon, and that's why this carbon becomes a what? Carbocation, and the structure which is formed like this manner, that is CH3, C, here there is a OH, and this carbon becomes positive charge, that means this carbon becomes carbocation. Then here this carbon already contains a 2CH3 group, and the one more CH3 of this neighboring carbon is rearranged like this manner, CH3. Then this carbon becomes what? The carbocation. Then what happened here? The lone pair of this oxygen is shifted to this carbon, and there is a formation of carbon-carbon double bond. The structure here we got, that is the CH3, this carbon which form a bond with the oxygen, then their valency is going to complete. Then this carbon, and here this oxygen which having a positive charge, the lone pair of electron is shifted to this carbon, that's why this oxygen becomes what? Positively charged, and here this carbon contains a 3CH3 group like this manner, CH3, CH3, CH3. Then here the next step, what happened? This H, here this H plus get removed. By removing this H plus, then that means acid, then there is a formation of this compound, that is CH3, C double bond O, C, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This product is called as a pinacolone. This is the pinacolone, and this is the mechanism of a formation of a ketone. How this R group is going to rearrange, here we learn. This is the structure of pinacolone. It is the 2,3-dimethyl 2,3-butanol. What happened here? In this rearrangement, this pinacol, which is reacted with a dilute or moderately concentrated H2SO4, there is a formation of a rearrangement reaction takes place, and there is a formation of pinacolone. This is a ketone compound. This is a ketone compound. Then here, how it is formed? We learn the mechanism of this reaction. What happened? This pinacol is reacted with the H plus. The lone pair of this one diol is treated with the H plus by donating their lone pair to this H plus, and there is a formation of this H2O molecule. This oxygen having a positive charge. And that's why here there is a removal of this water molecule, and this carbon changes their valency, decreases their valency, and that's why carbon becomes a positively charged. This positively charged carbon is called as a carbocation. This carbocation is formed by removing this water molecule. Then here this CH3 of the neighboring carbon, which is shifted to this carbocation, or it is rearranged into this carbocation. Then what happened here? Whenever this CH3 group is rearranged to this carbocation, this carbon decreases their valency and this carbon becomes a carbocation. Then after that, what happened? This lone pair of this OH group is shift their lone pair or donate their lone pair toward this carbon, and there is a formation of carbon oxygen double bond. There is a formation of a carbonyl carbon. Whenever there is a formation of this carbonyl carbon, then this oxygen donates their electron towards this carbon. That's why this oxygen becomes a positive charge. Then after that, by removing this H plus, that means this electron of this OH is shifted to this oxygen, and there is a removal of this H plus ion. Then there is a formation of this type of ketone R, that is CH3CO tertiary carbon. This is the stable structure of this compound. This is a ketone compound which is prepared from this pinacol. That's why this is called as a pinacolone. This is called as what? Pinacolone. Here this is called as a pinacolone rearrangement. Pinacolone rearrangement. Here the one question is that why there is a shifting of the CH3, and the second one is which OH group is prefer to the attack of the acid whenever these R group are different. When there are the difference in this R group, then how the rearrangement will be possible. Second one, how whenever their carbocation is formed, then which R group, if these two R group, whenever here there is a formation of this type of the carbocation, then one more question is that if these two R group are different, then which R group is rearranged to this carbon. Here in this case, in this mechanism, there are all the R group are the same. That's why there is no any problem for the rearrangement. But whenever these R group are different, then how we follow the sequence or the priority of a rearrangement of this R group, we will learn in a next lecture, that is a migratory aptitude of a R group in the pinacolone rearrangement. We will learn in a next lecture. Thank you very much for watching this lecture.